What's up, guys? My name is Tyler Zombie Hill, professional MMA fighter and kickboxing instructor, bringing y'all a kickboxing tip today with the benefits of the 2XL versus a traditional hanging bag. We like to throw knees. I want to show you the most advanced way that you're going to get the most benefits from a workout standpoint as well. So we have the ability to move these instead of them being hanging. So what I want to do is I want to pretend that I'm grabbing just like you would in a tie clinch on the head, but I'm going to pull this down. This is already making my core engaged and causing some resistance on my arms. Now, traditionally, you might see this. You might see people kneeing like this. I'm not saying that's not good, but it's not as good as it could be. We want dynamic movement. We want to really push it and keep our core going the whole time. We're going to do skip knees as well. We're going to move the bag from side to side, getting a little bit of benefit in our arm too. So instead of this, I want to see skip knees. Skip, 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 and I'm also moving the bag from side to side. That creates a more realistic situation and is going to give you a lot of benefits cardiovascularly and working on your core. Thanks, guys.